Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to make homemade bra cup. You can see the homemade bra cup I made. I made one. So we're going to make the second one together. So the things you're going to need your pattern paper for your cups, which I have here. You're also going to need warden. Yes. We're going to use warden to make this homemade bra cup. As you can see, my warden, I've been using it for some time, so this is the ones that are left. So for this, you're going to bring out your pattern you've already done, and you're going to fold your warden into four places. Into four places. You're meant to double each of it into four places. So I'm actually placing my pattern on it to cut. Each piece of the pattern design is going to be cut, I said, into four places. That's in order for it to be very thick. You can do into three. I think I prefer into three and into four. That's what I do for both. But if you want to do into two, it's not going to be that. It's going to be very soft. So I prefer into four places to give it that thick feel for me. So you can try hands on any of them. So I place the pattern and I'm cutting out. So four for each part, the other four for the other part. So let's start the sewing process. Let's start sewing. Yeah, we're here. I'm joining the four cups, the four foams together rather. So the four that I've placed, I'm sewing it together to make it into one piece. Yeah, to make it into one piece. That's what I'm doing right now. So please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. You're going to get a lot of value here. A lot of value here. So you subscribing would encourage me to post more videos like this and share my knowledge freely with you without hiding anything at all. Yeah. So I'm done joining one of the piece together. I'm going to join the other piece together as well. We're going to join the other piece together as well. Yeah. So this is a very easy step. A very easy step. It's not that difficult to do. Even a beginner can handle this. So if you want to see a video of how I made the pattern for the cup, let me know in the comment section. Say I want to learn. On the comment section, I want to learn. So I'll know if I'm going to do a video on how to make those cups for you in the next tutorial. So I really need your feedback. Yeah, it's very important. So after we've done joining both pieces, we have to join both together. So if you don't have a zigzag machine like I do right now, you get your needle and thread and let me show you how you're going to sew it. If you have a zigzag machine, so easy. Place both pieces on your zigzag machine and use it to sew on it to make it one cup piece. But if you don't have the zigzag machine, just get your needle and thread. It's still the same thing. Just that one is easier and faster. The other one is a bit time taking. That's just it. So I'm going to get my needle and thread, have it doubled, and run a stitch on it. You see I'm going to stitch it right now. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't. So I'm going to place the needle on one of the piece. Yeah, one of the piece. See me placing the side together. I pick the other one. So same thing, go to the other one. So just doing a diagonal stitch on it. So easy peasy. Yeah, so easy. So you're going to run the stitch on it till you get to the end and you tighten your thread. So can you see our cup is coming out gradually? Can you see it? We're almost there. See? See how nice the cup came out. Yeah, see how pretty it came out. The cup is nice, like it's so nice. So look at the other one I did earlier that I showed you. So it's ready. Can you see it? Oh, I love what I'm seeing. Like, it's good for you to even customize your own cup instead of using the industrial cup, because it enables you to do the size, exact size of the black cup that you want. Yes. So this is it. Hope you learned something from today's class.